Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Cloud HTTPS load balancer backend health step by step clearly. To verify the health of your Google Cloud HTTPS load balancer backend, first, log into your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the networking section from the left-hand menu. Select load balancing from the options presented. Find your existing load balancer and click on its name to view its details. Once on the Load Balancer Details page, scroll down to the Backend section. Here, you will see a list of all backend services associated with your load balancer. Click on the backend service you want to check for health status. In the Backend Service Details, locate the Health Checks tab. Review the health check configuration settings to ensure they match your application's requirements. Next, check the Health Status section to see the current status of the backend instances. If an instance is unhealthy, click on it to view detailed status information. Examine the reasons for any unhealthy status messages provided by Google Cloud. You may want to adjust the health check parameters if necessary, such as the health check path, timeout settings, or check interval. After making any adjustments, save your changes. To validate the effectiveness of your health check, return to the Health Status section after a few moments. If adjustments have been made, verify if the backend instances have transitioned from unhealthy to healthy. Keep monitoring the health status over time to ensure ongoing application performance. Regularly reviewing load balancer health is essential for maintaining application reliability and uptime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.